Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. The other night I went to a parents' evening at one of my kids' schools, and there must have been a good couple of hundred parents gathered there before the start of the parents' evening. And the head teacher was due to give a little talk. The head teacher came up onto the stage, grabbed the microphone and started talking, but unfortunately nobody could hear anything because the microphone didn't seem to be turned on. So the head teacher then had to shout at the top of their voice and apologise, saying, "Yeah, awfully sorry about this. We seem to be having a slight hiccup up here. The sound doesn't seem to be working." Maybe you know that if you have hiccups, you go like this, and it's very difficult to stop them. Maybe you drink water or you stop breathing or something. But if we talk about a hiccup or a slight hiccup, we mean a little problem that maybe delays or interrupts something, but doesn't cause serious issues. So you might say, if you're setting up a new computer system or you've set up a new business or something, we've had one or two little hiccups along the way, but basically things seem to be progressing quite well. Maybe between two countries, you might have had the occasional hiccup, but generally relations between the two countries have been very cordial. And maybe if you're planning a party or a conference or a wedding or something, you don't want any unforeseen or any unexpected hiccups, so you plan everything to the nth degree. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your students, your colleagues, your friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use a hiccup.